It's Atif here once again, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study how to fix technical issues that are currently happening on our websites, and for that we will be using Screaming Frog SEO Spider software. We can download it anywhere from Google or maybe from its official website. And then what we need to do is we just need to paste our website link over here, and then we will click on the start button. It will start crawling our website, and once it's completed, then it will show us the issues that are currently happening on our websites over here. And then what we will do is today we are going to study the images missing alt text issue. And what we need to do is click on this issue, and over here it will show us the exact images that are not currently having the alt text edit. So for example, we are going to fix this one issue. Then what we will do is we will click on the issue, and then it will show us on which page this image is added. And then we will open that specific page, and to verify which image is not having alt text, I will open that image too. I will copy this link of that image, specific image. We'll paste it in Google. So that is the specific image that is not having the alt text edit. So what I will do is I will go to the specific page. I will locate it from over here. I will go to in links tab after clicking on the issue, and then it will show us the pages where this image is added. I will copy the link from here and go to the Google. I will paste it here, and then I will edit this page, and then I will locating the actual image where it is located. Here it is, and then I will edit this page with Elementor, and then it will start showing us over here. And I will verify which one image needs to be uh, added the alt text. And then I have found the image. I will click over here and then here, and then here we can add the actual alt text that is supposed to be there. So for example, finance backlinks impacting SEO. That's it. And I'm gonna select this and then publish this. So that's how the images missing alt text is issue is fixed. And there is one another method too. For example, I wanna copy this part of the URL from how finance backlinks impact your SEO in Canada. It's actually the name of that specific image. I will copy this part, and then I will go to the media section in our WordPress. Then I will search that specific part over here, and then it will start showing us that specific image over here. And then after clicking on that, here we can add the actual alt text that we need to add. And in the alt text we can use the keyword variations, like our secondary keywords or something like that. For example, our secondary keyword is this. So that's it. That's how we are going to add alt text. There are two methods. We can go directly to that specific page and edit that specific image. But if we are having issues in bulk like this, then what we can do is just copy the name of the image, this section, and then we need to go to the media tab in our WordPress admin over here, and then here we can search that specific name. It will start showing us the image here. Here we can place the alt text, and that's it. So yep, that's how we are gonna add the alt text of the images. And that's how our images will start getting ranked in Google too. And also, if where some reasons the image is not getting load on the user side, then this alt text will shown on the user side instead of that image, even if he is having the internet issue or something like that, or maybe our server side issue. So instead of loading that image, then the alt text will be shown to our user.